In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Splitwise. Updating your profile photo is a small step that can make Splitwise easier and more personal, especially if you use it with friends, roommates, or co-workers. A recognizable picture helps people quickly see who's who in shared groups and expenses, and it keeps your account looking up to date. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main dashboard. This is the page where you normally see your balances, recent activity, and any groups you're part of. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile icon or your name. Click on that area. This opens a small menu related to your account. From this menu, select the option that says Your Account. Clicking this will take you to your account settings page, where you can adjust personal details, notifications, and of course, your profile picture. On the account settings page, take a moment to scroll if you need to, and look for your profile photo section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Choose File. This is the button you'll use to upload a new picture from your computer. Before you click it, it's a good idea to decide which image you want to use. For best results, choose a clear photo where your face is visible, well lit and not too far away. A square or roughly square image usually works best, since profile pictures are often displayed in small circles or squares on the site. When you're ready, click Choose File. A file browser window will open showing the folders and files on your computer. Navigate to the location where your preferred photo is saved, then click on the image you want to use and confirm by clicking Open or the equivalent button on your system. Once you've selected the file, Splitwise will attach it to your profile settings. Depending on the site's layout at the time, you may need to confirm or save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button on the page and click it to finalize your new profile picture. After saving, your